welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am back with a very exciting skincare and hair care product which I've lately loving it so much, and I've recently started using it, and I really wanted to sit and talk about this product. So the first product which I'm going to show you is from the brand MyFab. I basically got two of their product and I've been loving lately. This is my second week I'm using this product. This is 3-in-1 cleanser, guys. I can't even stress more about this because this works like a magic to remove your makeup. So the cleanser comes in this sort of a packaging and it is very sturdy, not at all flimsy, and the quality is top notch, guys. I mainly use this product for cleansing my face as well as to remove my makeup. So the ingredients of this particular cleanser has got my eyes on because it has got red algae extract and reishi mushroom extract, and it is a very nice gel sort of a formula which you can see here. So it leaves your skin very soft and subtle. It doesn't make your skin dry, and this is very affordable. MyFab products are absolutely affordable. You should check out their range. The reason why I got this product is because of the key ingredients in it. So this is vegan, SLS and paraben free product, and also it is a very travel friendly bottle, and you just need a pump or so and you're good to use this product, guys. So the next product which I have is the most exciting product, which is the anti-frizz hair mist. So I actually use a lot of heating tools on my hair, so I actually needed a very good hair mist, but I tried this as a heat protecting spray. It worked a wonder, guys, and it leaves that shine to your hair. You just need a tiny amount of product. It comes in a glass bottle. It is not at all flimsy at all. You just need to take tiny amount of product, spray the mist over the lower end of your hair and wherever you feel it is required, and you just need to rub it with your hand and gently massage. That's all you have to do. As you know that argan oil is very important for your hair. It actually retains moisture from your hair, and simultaneously when you're using vitamin E, it actually boosts the roots and you actually have new hair growth. I would highly recommend you to try this product. This is one of my favorite, guys, and this retail for 449 rupees. So there are two ways where you can shop these products, whichever I have showed you here in this video. The first is Bulbul app, which you can download from Android and iOS. The second option you have is a WhatsApp, which is very convenient these days. You can actually link into your WhatsApp buddy, that's your shopping buddy. You will have a real person sitting and chatting with you. You can share your inquiries, you can discuss with your any sort of concerns you have. They will sort it out. You can actually take the screenshot of the products which I'm showing you in this video. You can directly message them on WhatsApp. There will be a real human being who is going to just sit and listen to your queries. You talk about your skincare problem, you have any issues, just sit and talk. You can also avail flat 25% off using the code MyFab25. I will have all the details in the description box. So guys, it comes with 5-star policy which includes COD, that's your cash on delivery, and also it comes with 5 days of return policy, as well as it also comes with free shipping. So it's a complete hassle-free shopping at Bulbul, guys. Do check out all the links in the description box. So guys, with that said, I hope you enjoyed this haul video. Do let me know if you want to see more products from Bulbul. I would be happy to share with you all. All the links will be in the description box. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell button so that you get notified in my upcoming videos. Till then, you guys take care. Bye, guys.